You don't need another Google Workspace tutorial. You've watched 10 of that. What you need is a high income skill that will make people, business owners, remove their wallets and give you their money. And I'm about to share with you one of those high income skills, because the money you are looking for is in somebody's pocket. In order for them to remove it and give to you, you have to provide value. And in order for you to provide value in the online space, you need a digital skill. If this is something you're interested in, kindly give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience, and subscribe to the channel if you're yet to. Now, before you come for me in the comment section with, oh, Mfon, what are you saying? Are you saying we should not learn Google Workspace? You should learn Google Workspace. What I'm trying to say is we are in an era that Google Workspace is more like you telling an employer, oh, I can use computer. Like, it's expected of you to know how to use Google Workspace tools like Google Doc, like Google Sheets, like Google Meet. All of those tools are expected already from you, from an employer. So it's not something that you can use as a competitive advantage over someone else, because you should know this. What else can you offer me? Knowing how to use Google Workspace doesn't make you a specialist, doesn't distinguish you or differentiate you from every other freelancer, from every other service provider out there. It makes you the same like every other person. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the high income skills I cover in my program. Now, if you'd like to join the waitlist for my program, the link to join is in the description and in the pinned comment. The service I want you to learn is email marketing. Not just knowing how to send emails. I mean, learning how to manage clients' entire email marketing system. Their email list, their automations, their sequence, their campaigns, their broadcasts, all of it. This is one of the highest, high in demand, high paying services that you can offer as a virtual assistant, as a freelancer, or as a service provider. Why am I recommending this? Is because people run away from it, or people shy away from it, thinking it's technical, but it's really not. Hi neighbor, I just want to let you know that you can now join the waitlist for the Digital Neighbor Academy. The link is in the description and in the pinned comments. Why should you join? So you get first-hand information on what's going on about the program. Also, you can get information about the discount, the bonuses that's going to be available for people in the waitlist. I can't wait to see you inside. So let's head back to the video. Another reason I am recommending email marketing for you is because every business owner, coaches, course creators, personal brands, e-commerce store owners, they all have one thing in common. They need someone to manage their emails. Email marketing is how they make money. It's how they launch products, nurture leads, and keep their audience engaged. And most of them don't have time to do it themselves. So as an email marketing manager or specialist, you can earn from $300 to $500 in a month. I kid you not. And it goes higher depending on the complexity of what you're doing for the client. One email marketing client can replace 5 or 6 I'll do anything clients. That's the difference between a skill and a service. Hi neighbor, so if you've watched till this point, I am so grateful for you. Now, I want to ask you for a favor. I need you to do something for me in the comment section, okay? I need you to drop a comment saying, hi neighbor, I am watching you from, you mentioned the country you're watching me from and something about the video. For example, hi neighbor, my name is Mfon Akban. I am watching you from Nigeria. Thank you so much for this video. I have learned ABC. Or you can say something like, please make a video on XYZ. I can't wait to read your comments. This is super important to me and I am so grateful for doing it in advance. And if you are yet to like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any content on the channel. If you've subscribed already or you thought you subscribed, can you confirm again? Thank you so much. So let's head back to the video. Now, what do you need to learn in order for you to start providing this service to clients? You don't need to learn everything at once. You can start with one platform. There is Mailchimp, there is ConvertKit, NowKit, there is Flowdex, there is ActiveCampaign, there is MailerLite. In my program from wave 1 to wave 7, I use ConvertKit to teach my students email marketing. But in wave 8, we are currently in wave 8, I'm going to be using Flowdesk to teach them the complete system. Now, remember that the link to join the program waitlist is in the description and the pinned comment. So that's it for the platform you can start with. And the amazing thing about each of these platforms is that you can sign up for free. You can sign up for free on ConvertKit, right? So when you sign up on this platform, the core skills that you need to learn are setting up email sequences and automations, writing or scheduling broadcast emails, segmenting and tagging subscribers, cleaning and maintaining email lists, reading basic analytics, open rates, click-through rates, and all of those analytics. Now, there are so much potential in this field because even if a creator, a business owner, a course creator, a personal brand, a startup founder doesn't have an email list, you can pitch this service to the person by creating, you just tell the person, I can help you build an email list. This is an example I used to give to my students on how to pitch this service. I tell them, because in my program, I teach high income skills, right? You can just choose one and specialize on it. And this is one of it. Okay. You can pitch to a client, go to a client, and you can make reference to when there was a major blackout in 2021 when Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp shut down for over 5 hours. So each of these platforms have their disadvantages. They can decide to shut down anytime, like literally. And you will lose your audience, you will lose your followers. So this is an example you can use to pitch the service to a client. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, even YouTube are borrowed media, right? But when you build an email list, it's called an own media. This is your own audience. You own your media. So for whatsoever reason they choose to shut down, you know you have your subscribers, you know you have your audience, you know you have your people, your community that you can send emails to. So this is how you can pitch this service to a client. So even if the person doesn't have an email list, an existing email list that is either dead or active, they can start building one from scratch. And you can help them do that by creating a lead magnet. It's also called a freebie. Now, if you like me to make a video on how to create a lead magnet, because even you as a business owner, even you as a freelancer or as a service provider, you need an email list. You need a lead magnet. So in order for you to have an email list, you need a lead magnet. There is no email list without a lead magnet. You have to give something for free in order for them to give you their emails. Okay, so if you'd like me to make a comprehensive video on how to create a lead magnet or a freebie, drop a comment for me in the comment section saying make the freebie video or make the automation process when it comes to email marketing management. And if you are still watching Neighbor till this point, kindly verify that you're subscribed to the channel. And if you've subscribed already, kindly give this video a like so it can reach a wider audience. And also take a minute to drop a comment for me in the comment section. It boosts my engagement and it helps YouTube push this video to a lot of people. Thank you so much, Neighbor. Okay? Because Google Workspace is okay. It's okay to learn. Learn it, know it, and move on. I'll see you in this video next.